If you have purchased a memonizer water box, remove the shielding sleeve from the memonizer water box and thread the supplied Velcro straps through the 2 outer assembly slots. Slide the memonizer water box over the filter housing from below and attach the memonizer water box to the water pipe with the Velcro straps. Slide the shielding sleeve onto the memonizer water box from above. That's it. To change the filter, remove the shielding sleeve from the memonizer water box. Hold the water box with one hand and open the Velcro straps with the other hand. Pull the memonizer water box down and away. That's it. Shut off the main water valve between the water meter and the memonizer water filter and open a tap connected behind it, if possible on the same floor, to reduce the water pressure. If available, now also close the shutoff valve installed behind the memonizer. Place an empty bucket under the memonizer. Use the supplied tool to loosen the screw connection of the filter cartridge that comes first in the direction of flow. Remove the activated charcoal briquette filter and the magnesium rod. Insert a new filter and the original magnesium rod. Press the silver filter cover onto the memonizer and screw the filter cover back on. First by hand, then with the tool. Open the shutoff valves and perform a visual inspection to determine whether the screw connection is tight. Note the date on the sticker that came with the new filter and stick it over the previous sticker. That's it.